Hello. So I'm doing a haul for you guys today. I have a bunch of clothing that I accumulated over the past few months, and I just want to share with you guys because it's fun to try on your clothing, and why not do it for everybody out there who's interested in purchasing clothing from maybe these places that I've purchased from. So that's what I'm doing for you guys today. I'm wearing one of the things that I've hauled right now. I'm not the necklace, I'm just fixing it. Imagine. I'll start off with Fashionnova since I'm wearing one of the shirts right now. Just a cute little baby tee. And yeah, it says 90s baby. I'm covering my nipples because it's kind of see-through. Isn't that really cute? Next thing, so this is the package, and I haven't tried on anything other than I tried on one thing, and I don't want to show it on camera if I'm gonna wear it for my birthday. Well, as one of my birthday outfits, because I'm probably gonna have a few, because I'm just like bougie like that. And my birthday is the whole week / month, not just the day. Anyways, this is, what is this? What the, oh, I brought a, oh, I'm actually really excited. I forgot. It's so much fun when you buy something and you don't even remember what you bought, and then you get to like try it on and feel, you know what I'm saying? This is an IAMGIA dupe. It's cuter from IAMGIA because it comes with like a cute little belt on it. I like that, but like, you know, I was just like, whatever. I'll get the cheaper version from Fashionnova, and like it looks basically the same. So yeah, I'm gonna try this on. Got it in an extra small. So I find that Fashionnova usually runs a bit bigger for me, so I usually get an extra small in Fashionnova, but this seems like kind of true to size, so I hope it's not too small that it's like short on my ass, because that would really suck. Okay, so my worst fear came true, and that just was a fail. It would not go, it would not fit. It just wouldn't fit. It would not go on my, like it would not like even go up my thighs. So I guess I thought I was smaller than I actually am. I have body dysmorphia. I'm sorry. So the extra small did not fit me. I'm trying on a new dress. This is a size small. They didn't have extra small, or else I probably would have gotten extra small. I mean, this could have been an extra small. This is cute, huh? Let me like, you know what I'm saying? Like, my clips match it. So. Ignore these are so annoying. If I keep it, which I probably am gonna keep it. I mean, don't you guys just love the color? Like, am I like alone on this? But is this color just... Alright, so literally, let me be, okay, maybe it's my fault. I got two things that are too small for me, so they have to go back for Fashionnova. So I'm pretty sad about that, because I literally only bought like 5 things in the order, and I'm keeping like 2. I don't know, because my birthday outfit broke when I was trying it on. I'm not sure if I should just return it and complain about how it was. Sorry, my Uber Eats order. I don't know if I should just return it and complain how it broke, but like I kind of want a picture in it. So maybe I'll just like still keep it and take it to a tailor to fix, which is like kind of annoying because I have to invest money in it now. just to wear for a picture. Next place we're gonna do a haul for is IAMGIA because I love IAMGIA. And I bought 2 of their like tank tops. I got these in an extra small because I wanted them to be a little more snug. So this is the first one. It's like a nude color. That's the back. I bought one in yellow because I thought it would be I bought one in yellow because I thought it would be cute, and was I right? How cute is that? It was on sale, so I was just like, why not? Like, cute color. I've always wanted these tanks from them. I like it a lot. I think this will be really pretty for the summertime. How cute. Love, love, love. I just want to prove to you guys that I've been waiting to open these things up just to try them on camera, because I just want to share it with you guys. This is so much fun, you know? Like, I'm spending money so you guys don't have to. I love watching these things because, like, you get that little thrill when you watch other people unbox stuff, but then you get a little sad afterwards because then you just want to buy a bunch of shit, huh? I feel you guys, I feel you. So this is the shirt. Do you like it? It's so cute, right? Obsessed. I think I got this in a size... Can't see. Can you guys see? I think it's an extra small, yeah. Extra small. So cute. Don't send your nudes, please. Don't ever send your nudes. So I'm trying on, I'm opening the pants part now. I'm gonna try on this 2-piece set that IAMGIA has. It comes with the underwear, a bra. I'm not wearing the bra because I'm probably not gonna wear the bra with it. The strings just hang out from the back, so I would rather just have a cleaner look. I am so obsessed with this. Like, come on. So I got 2 shirts from Vanna Youngstein. It's this brand that a lot of the Euphoria characters wear shirts from. So in the first season, Jules wore a shirt that said Atomic on it. And in the interview special episode of like them interviewing the whole class, Alexa Demi was wearing the shirt. It says, "Don't be jealous." So I like loved it when I saw it. I thought it was super cute. I figured out where it's from, and then I went on her website. Everything's always sold out, so you have to go grab it at the right time. I randomly went on the site to show my sisters this shirt that I got, and I saw that there was a limited restock, so I grabbed the Atomic shirt because I had been wanting the Atomic shirt for so long, because ever since I saw Jules in it that night when she was laying down next to Rue when they met, I was obsessed with it. So yeah, I'm try this one on first since it's already out of the package, and then I'll try the Atomic one. I really hope I didn't get a size too small in that. Oh fuck. I think it'll be okay though. So this is the Don't Be Jealous shirt. It's a little tighter on the sleeves, but it's fine. It's nothing I can't deal with. And then I tucked it a little because it's kind of long, and I prefer like a cropped look. How cute is that though? Obsessed. Adorable, right? It's such a cute shirt, like, I love it. So when I got this shirt, she gave these clips with it. I think that's so cute. She always packages them really nicely. Ah, again, I got purple ones this time. I got a sticker. I'm gonna put it on my laptop. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Oh my gosh, look. It's Sailor Moon freaking stickers. If you guys can order, I can't wait to try it on. I really hope it's good for me. Atomic shirt. The infamous atomic shirt. You don't know how hyped I am. You don't know how hyped I am. Guys, I love this shirt. I got an extra small. I wanted it to be more snug, and I'm glad that I got the extra small. It's a little tight here, but it's, again, nothing I can't handle. I'd rather it be like that and like nice and tight and fitted than it be like too loose on me. And then here's the last thing I want to try on. It's the Prix dress that I wish I got the bodysuit because my mom really wanted that, and I didn't know when I was making the order when everything dropped. I would have gotten it, but I had no idea. I think they sent stickers too. I fucking love it. Yes, because I love cars. I want a lot of cars. That's why I need to be a billionaire. It's pretty cute, I must say. I don't have boobs. I wish I had bigger ones. If I did, it would look even better, but it's fine. It's a pretty stiff material, which is good if you wanted to like snatch you, I guess. But how cute is that? I love the little Prix logo. This is like a great winter dress with like stockings. This shit would keep you hella fucking warm. I don't know how I'm gonna undo it now because I have nails. I did it. And then you can do that for your boyfriend. That would be cute. But I love you all. And I'm really happy with all my purchases other than the Fashionnova stuff that did not fit me, which I'm pretty bummed about. This was a mission to get on, by the way, this Prix dress. But once you get it on, honey, you look cute. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed watching my video and you guys had fun trying on all my new stuff with me. And I love Vanna. If there's one place I would recommend buying stuff from. I hope you guys enjoyed my haul.